Hey, what's up, drivers? Brian here, your honest mechanic. Today, we're talking about CVT transmissions. You either love them or hate them, but one thing's for sure, they don't handle abuse well. If you want yours to last, here are 5 things you should never do. Let's jump in. What's a CVT? A continuously variable transmission, CVT, works differently from traditional automatics. It doesn't have fixed gears. Instead, it uses a belt and pulley system that continuously adjusts for the most efficient power ratio. This gives smoother acceleration and better fuel efficiency, but requires careful maintenance since CVTs operate under constant fluid pressure and tension. Now let's talk about the definite CVT's no-nos. Number 1. Don't put it in neutral at a stoplight. Many think shifting to neutral saves fuel. Wrong. CVTs are designed to keep steady fluid pressure. Constantly shifting in and out of neutral messes with that balance and adds unnecessary wear. Just leave it in drive and let the car do its thing. Number 2, don't engine brake too much. Engine braking might feel cool, but CVTs aren't built for it. Unlike traditional automatics, CVTs rely on fluid pressure, and aggressive downshifting strains the belt and pulleys, causing premature wear. Need to slow down? Use your brakes, that's what they're for. Number 3, don't floor it from a stop. CVTs are designed for smooth power delivery. If you mash the gas pedal, you're forcing the transmission to work overtime. Think of it like a rubber band. Pull too hard, too fast, and it snaps. Ease into the throttle. Smooth is fast. Number 4, don't tow heavy loads. Even if your manual says your CVT can tow, just don't. CVTs weren't designed for it, and towing puts huge strain on the belt, overheats fluid, and can cause failure. If you must tow, keep it light and check your fluid regularly. Number 5, don't ignore transmission fluid changes. CVTs are extremely sensitive to dirty or degraded fluid. Over time, it loses viscosity, causing heat buildup. Most manufacturers recommend changing CVT fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, or sooner if you drive in harsh conditions. And always use the correct CVT fluid. Okay folks, now, my final thoughts. CVTs are smooth and efficient but need proper care. Please, avoid these 5 bad habits to extend your transmission's life and avoid costly repairs. Got a CVT horror story? Drop it in the comments. Like and subscribe for more car tips. See you in the next one, drivers.